Hello and welcome to the 7th episode on how to use GitKraken Studio 2.0. In this video, I'll show you how to make a commit. So step 1 is to do work. So I'm just going to create a bunch of scripts, like so. Now, once you have created work, now you just need to make sure Unity is closed as it also generates files. So now Unity is closed, it should generate a default file. Now, you can see all our works here when we click on this WIP commit. So this is our work in progress commit. It's not actually a commit, it's just like a temporary folder holder thing. So what we want to do is click on it or click on the view changes. So we want to view the work in progress commit. Once we click on it, so if you've done 100% work and no temporary changes that you want to get rid of, if you want to get rid of anything, you can right click it and then just discard. But since we create these files, it's going to be delete, but you can discard changes, see? So because we're going to be adding all this work anyway, we're going to click stage all changes. And then you can see it's now under this section, and then we can create a commit message. Started work on X feature, right? Make sure to keep commit messages somewhat concise. Now, you don't need to add a description, just a commit name. Now, you don't need to add description, but you can add a commit title, and that's fine. Once you're ready, click commit changes. Now, if you notice, there are two branches. We got two features. This one should have the icon of the whoever owns the repository or organization, and then you have a laptop, right? So you got the origin and the local. So now you'll notice it's got this up arrow. So this means that we are one commit ahead of our branch. That means we need to upload our work to sync it. We are out of sync with our online branch, so we need to make sure we keep it up to date. So we're going to click push. You see up arrow, up arrow. If you're working on your own branch and you get a down arrow, this means that you probably have work from, let's say you worked on uni and then you decided to push some work, then you're going to need to pull that work when you're at another computer because you're going to be out of date with your new work. So now once you're ready, you can click push, and we are now successfully synced both branches. So the origin is now synced to our branch. So basically pushing will force the origin to sync with our branch, and pulling will sync the local branch to the origin. And just like that, you have successfully created a commit and pushed it.